Most people are exhausted, and they don't even know why. They wake up tired, they go to bed drained, and they keep wondering why life feels so heavy, so chaotic, so out of control. But here's the truth nobody's telling you. Your life isn't too busy. Your life is too full of the wrong things. If you've ever felt like peace is something only other people get to have, like calm is a luxury you just can't afford, then stay right here. Because the next few minutes are going to change the way you see everything. Think about your friend Marcus. Smart guy, hardworking, always showed up for everyone, said yes to every invitation, bought the latest things to keep up, shared everything about his life with anyone who asked. And you know what Marcus had? Anxiety, burnout, zero peace. Because Marcus never learned the one skill that actually changes your life. The skill of letting go of what doesn't serve you. That's exactly what we're breaking down today. 6 simple but powerful ways to live a more peaceful life, starting right now. Number 1, you don't need to socialize with people who bring no clarity to your life. Read that again. Not every person deserves a seat at your table. Some people leave every conversation feeling lighter. Others leave you feeling confused, drained, and worse than before. You get to choose who gets your time. Peace starts the moment you stop forcing connections that cost you energy and give you nothing back. Number 2, you don't need to buy things just to look impressive. The car, the clothes, the gadgets. If you're buying them for other people's approval, you're renting happiness you don't actually own. Real peace comes when you stop performing your life for an audience that isn't even paying attention. Number 3, keep your distance from people who enjoy putting you down. And notice that word, enjoy. Some people don't put you down by accident. They do it because it makes them feel bigger. You don't owe those people access to you. Distance is not drama. Distance is self-respect. Number 4, don't be too open about your personal life with everyone. Your dreams, your struggles, your plans, they're not public property. Not everyone celebrating with you has your best interest at heart. Guard your inner world. Peace lives in privacy. Number 5, avoid people who only come around when they need something. You know exactly who I'm talking about. The ones who disappear for months and suddenly reappear with a favor. Your energy is not a resource for people who only show up when they're running low. Protect it like it's everything, because it is. Number 6, it's better to be known as quiet than to talk too much without purpose. Silence is powerful. Every word you speak is a withdrawal from your energy account. Stop spending it on conversations that go nowhere, drama that doesn't involve you, and opinions nobody asked for. The most peaceful people in the room are rarely the loudest ones. Here's the thing. Peace isn't something you find. It's something you build. One boundary at a time. One decision at a time. One courageous no at a time. You came into this video exhausted. You don't have to leave that way. Start with just one of these today, and watch how your whole energy shifts. If this hit home, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you want more content that actually changes how you think and live, you already know what to do.